It sure is. I can't see it. Oh, he's hot.
And the blonde one helps him find his food. He helps him find
Oh, the
his...
blonde one's a helper?
Yeah, the blonde, this one right here. Look how funny looking he is.
You know, this one reminds me of one of the penguins on Surf's Up.
Yeah.
All right, so check this out.
Oh, the dogs are here from the cat rooster area.
Okay, open the door for me, baby. I'll shut it.
Okay. I actually nothing in there.
Hey, let's start over here, baby.
The door!
Hello, Queen. How you doing, Queen? Puppy! So here we are in the chick and rooster sanctuary, I suppose.
Rooster sanctuary.
Hello, King. Hello, big boy.
Oh my gosh, look how
Big
tiny
boy.
that one is. Look how
Oh,
small.
look how little.
But that's actually a full-grown one.
Not the little one, but the one that, yeah. All right, come on.
I love the ogre dog.
Oh, wow, look at that. That's a nice trailer, too. There's...
He went under me, and he was too tall
Hi.
for me, so.
How you doing there, chick? Hello, King. Hi, King. How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, so King, he went
How
under
you doing,
me,
buddy?
and he was too tall for me to get to sit on. He went under me, so then I almost
Hi, Queen.
died.
Oh my gosh, you almost died.
Yes.
Hey, here comes Trinity. Hi, Trin.
Dad, there's an egg.
Where's an egg? Where?
An egg. It's right there.
What color is it?
It's white.
Oh, there's eggs. There's eggs in there. Hey. Hi, Trin. Hi, happy camper.
Okay, look, there's an egg. Okay, over.
Okay, there's our residence for the night. So, thank you, Kimberly, for being so sweet and offering this place for us to stay. It's really awesome. I gotta say, it's just really awesome up there. Okay, laters. We're having a good time. Oh, by the way, this is Texas.